I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating eSIM card with Rogers Canada can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to get it done. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin, make sure you have your new eSIM card, your phone, and any necessary identification ready. You'll need your phone number, account number, and possibly a government-issued ID. Step 2. Insert the eSIM card. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Visit the Rogers activation page. Open a web browser and go to the Rogers eSIM activation page. You can find this on the Rogers website under the support section. Follow the prompts to start the activation process. Step 4. Enter your details. Fill in the required information, including your eSIM card number and personal details. Double-check everything for accuracy. A common mistake is entering the eSIM number incorrectly, which can delay activation. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once you've submitted your information, you should receive a confirmation message. Restart your phone to complete the activation process. If you don't see service after a few minutes, try toggling airplane mode on and off. I hope this guide helps you activate your eSIM with ease. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Rogers customer support for assistance.